how to turn on notifications in Google Classroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let me tell you that to turn on the notifications in your Google Classroom, you'll need to head over to your iPhone settings. So let's dive right in. Open up the settings app and then scroll down to the bottom, go to apps, and then search for Classroom, tap on it, and there you'll find notifications. Go ahead and click on it, and then tap on Allow Notifications and toggle it on. Now you can choose if you want the alerts only in your lock screen, notification center, banners, or all of them. You can just tap to tick and untick it. It's as simple as that. You can toggle on sounds and badges as well. And then you can tap on show previews, and you can tap on always on default, and you'll be able to see your Google Classroom notification previews even if your phone is not unlocked. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.